Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to invite people to your designs in Canva, the ultimate 2025 guide. Whether you're planning an event, working on a project, or just want feedback on your design, sharing your creations has never been easier. Let's dive in. First, open the design you want to share from your Canva dashboard. Look to the upper right corner and click the share button. This is your gateway to collaborating with others. Once you click share, a dialog box will appear. Here, you can invite people directly using their email addresses. Just type in the email of anyone you want to collaborate with, and if it's multiple people, separate each email with a comma. Now, make sure the access level is set correctly. Right below the email field, there's a drop-down menu labeled Access. For full collaboration, select Can Edit. This lets your teammates make changes alongside you, so everyone's ideas flow seamlessly. When everything looks good, hit the share button at the bottom. That's it. Your invitations are sent, and now others can join you in creating or editing the design. Collaborating in Canva is a game changer. It's perfect for small teams, large projects, or even just getting input from friends. With just a few clicks, you can turn a solo project into a creative powerhouse. Thanks for watching, and happy designing. Don't forget to explore Canva's sharing features. You might be surprised how much smoother teamwork can get.